प्रैक्टिस करूं काय करता है मतलब क्या करेंगे अपन what should we do
इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना
so should we give an important topic to us
Yes.
so I think we should give our favorite topic I mean the topic we would love to talk about right
यस
Yes.
so let's start
Let's start with
Prajwal right
Big
Prajwal
bro. Just start big bro.
okay so you mean we have to give respect to him and
Yes.
he should start the topic right
Yes. Yes.
okay then you give him topic right
Advantage and disadvantage to use social media.
Is this a class or is this
No, it's a topic.
you just
You
have to
know.
speak
You
have to
speak. So many
Okay.
benefits, so many disadvantage. You just speak. And
advantage disadvantage of social media?
yes.
First advantages of social media is you can we can know anything in the world. What is happening in anything in the world in just one click.
yeah
It's the advantage, main advantage. And in the business perspective, you can sell anyone can sell their products using social media. It's second most. I personally think it's the second most advantage.
right
Yes, and
we can enlarge our networks through
Yeah.
social media right
Yes. Businesses
And,
can enlarge their network by using
business
social
have
media.
huge profit in this age
Yes, they can earn
Social media advantage is
much more profit by much more profit using social media without investing.
and
That's
also
what
time
more.
saving.
Yeah, it is also time saving. Yes,
Yeah, time also
Yeah.
consumed
time saving.
yeah in a greater way
And disadvantages is everything has its
I guess
limit.
there
If
won't
you
be
use
disadvantage.
everything is in limit, that thing is good. But if you use anything in
More use.
if you use anything in not limit means
Yeah.
बहुत ज्यादा यूज करेंगे तो उसका कुछ ना कुछ तो डिसएडवांटेजेस होगा. वही सोशल मीडिया के साथ भी हो रहा है.
right
Like so many boys, so many people are spending so much time on social media, just
Yeah,
doing,
absolutely.
just doing some
just wasting just scrolling the
Just
feed
scrolling
and just
the
enjoying
reels.
the memes yeah
wasting their time
Wasting
by
time.
seeing some reels, etc.
yeah
And that's it.
you have said very nice because from yesterday I think
Thanks, bro.
you have reached to a next level from 1 to 2 I would say to 3 because you spoke very greatly
Thanks, bro.
the mistakes there was no mistake just the speed I would say you
Yeah.
have to just focus on the words that what should you speak later I mean if you are speaking about the businesses right you
Yes.
said businesses the
Yeah.
people I mean the businesses are enlarging that's the profit then you have to enlarge that topic of business then how which businesses which will increase your topic which will increase your saying about that that's the only thing you
I
have
think
to do
अभी हमें थोड़ी और प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आ जाएगा कि
Yeah.
मतलब how we need to speak, we need to think in just seconds to use what word for that sentence.
Okay, well done. Now we are going to
Thank you.
to Prajwal. You have done very absolutely great.
Yes.
Now we're talking about Prajwal. So what this giving topic of what he likes, I would say
Okay.
what the topic we should give.
You give him topic. I will
Okay.
give you.
Okay. I will give him giving. If you have to speak to a girl, that's the topic every boy is loving right
And
now.
I think Prajwal is the one who likes that topic.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm giving.
Yes.
Okay, when
He's a playboy, guys. He's a
he's
playboy.
a playboy. We are just a beginner. We are just doing only one thing. I
I'm
would say
single. I don't have.
we are doing only one
I don't-
thing.
I don't
That
have
is
any
scrolling
girlfriend.
social media.
I just-
Okay. Talking about
I'm
Prajwal.
just talking to so many girls just like a friend, but not
Friend with
exactly.
benefits.
But not exactly. She is my not girlfriend, etc.
Okay. So I'm going to give you a topic when we go to a park, right? We go
Yeah.
for walking, and the girl is sitting there. How you are going to approach to her? How
In
you are going
English.
to talk with her?
In
Just
English.
Say us in English.
Okay.
Firstly,
Just imagine Aditya is a girl.
Yeah,
You are.
Yes, I can understand.
Yes.
yeah, we know you
I
can
will
understand that.
I will try.
You have to convince Aditya to become your girlfriend.
Okay, I will try. Firstly, I will going to firstly I have go to front of this girl
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
and just look at here and pass out the small smile
Yes.
and
Yeah, okay.
Look at her and
Note to
pass
be-
by.
Note.
Yes, point to be noted, my lord.
Yeah.
yeah,
Lord,
look at a small smile
सुन
and
लीजिए सब लोग, ये तरकीब है लड़की पटाने की, सुन लीजिए. हाँ.
small smile and look at this face. She is embarrassing. Yeah, she also replied to your smile. She is blushing and she is not to react with your smile.
Yeah. Ish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she was she has some smile, small smile pass. Then I will go to and then I will
Go
sit
to
in sit
beside her.
sit
near
inside
her. Sit near her.
Besides, yeah.
and just I have said hi, hello,
What is your name?
and what is your name,
Where
and
are
introduce myself and
Yes, sir.
I introduce myself and I also introduce herself.
Okay, so you have said very filmy way, I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are going to talk with her.
Talk with-
If
yeah.
she's smiling, if she's not, if she's
Ah.
smiling, you are going to near to her. Besides her, you are going to sit beside her.
And I just ask him, you are in Tinder,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
what is your
She's
ID?
using
And
social media, right?
I just open my mobile and just show him to my Insta
Show
ID,
her, yeah.
show her Insta ID username, and that's it.
That's
She is
it.
interested, then she will follow me.
Yeah, you are going to
Yeah.
you are going to a next step to a relationship. You are going to form a relationship.
Yeah.
If she is not interested, you are going to back when you
Back
started,
when,
right? Yeah, okay, that's it.
Then I will just say other girl. I will try to
That's the only thing we bachelors can do if
Yeah,
the
that's
other
it.
girl is not agree to us.
Ah.
Right? Okay, that's it. So we are going to talk what's wrong you have spoken.
Yes.
Okay, you have tried harder a lot than yesterday. That's the good point. You have tried very harder,
Yes,
but
you are trying.
what you have done wrong today is you are continuously using a single word and. Okay, we are just carrying the form and no. You are not doing the. You are not to
Don't
saying
use
the word
the same
differently.
word.
Just say and take a full stop. Okay, think about it. Just not and just don't say repeatedly word.
Okay.
Because when you are going to say repeated word and it will just impact
Bad
a bad
impression.
impression. It will impact a bad impression to
Okay.
interviewer. And you have spoken a lot. You have tried a lot harder than yesterday, which we say yeah you have done very good right now. With the time you are going to learn everything.
Yes.
Yeah. But still you have done a lot great work today.
जैसा जैसा टाइम जाएगा वैसा वैसा
You are going to yeah
I will
absolutely.
I will
But
try
yeah,
and
that's
I
the-
will give some more knowledge.
Yeah. But yeah, you have done very good job. I mean, you for today you have spoken a lot. Now you both can ask me anything.
Yes,
I'm
I
going to
am
respond.
thinking about what to ask you. I think you're talking like if you are a famous person
Yeah. Okay.
and you have a friend who is जो बर्बाद हो गया है समझ ली.
Okay.
तो
Yeah, we see destroy. Yeah,
how
if he is destroyed.
how you उसको लाइन पे कैसे रहेगा?
How what
How
solution
will
I
they-
would give him?
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
How
Okay.
will you
So if
I will motivate
how
this
will you
person.
motivate him to become a
This
good
person.
person? Yeah.
okay,
successful.
so talking about celebrity, right? If
Yes.
I am a celebrity,
Yes.
I would say when you ask me, I am a celebrity.
Yes.
That's the time when I thought, okay, who is my favorite cricketer? Who is the favorite person I love? That's Virat Kohli. Then I thought, let's imagine if I am a Virat Kohli, he is a celebrity, absolutely, right?
सुन लो भोसड़ी वाली की बातें.
No, yeah, that's not the topic.
Yes.
Yeah, that's not the vulgar word.
Don't use vulgar word.
Don't have to be
Celebrity.
not even if my friend talking
Yes.
about if my friend is Prajwal,
Yes.
he's love to carry he loves to know his financial knowledge,
Yes.
but still if his business goes down, he's going in vain. But then what suggestion I would like to give him if I am a celebrity, I would say, brother, what gone is gone. That not matter because
Yes.
you are a financial. I have to focus on the thing which is gone, but you have to think what next you can do.
Yes, yes.
The more invested you have done in businesses, more investment you have done, you have gained a profit, you have a great losses. But then at the same time, if you have losses, you don't have to think about the losses. You just have to think what other investment I can make, what things I can learn from it. The things, if good things you are learning from it. Like you have invested $1 million in single company, which is just growing rapidly in day after day after day. But at a certain point, we would say in 3 days, this company it take a downfall, right? At that time you don't have to take stress. You just have to focus. What's the reason behind it? Why
But what if he tells you you are a famous, you are a celebrity? It is very easy to give anybody a suggestion.
Yeah.
You don't know my situation. If
Yeah.
he tells you,
If
so
somebody,
how can you?
Okay, if somebody tells me
Huh.
that you have money, but
Yes,
you
yes.
are just telling me you are not in my place.
Yes.
At the same time, at that time, I will show him what experiences, from what losses I have been
Yes.
facing. Okay, because I have never tell him my losses.
I
Because-
already start from zero.
Yeah, I have started from zero. No celebrity born. I mean, yeah, the rich kids born, but they don't know financial knowledge because they are just rich. I am not rich. I have just faced any problem which occurred in my life. I will just show him that what losses, what experiences I have gained, and what things
Downward thing.
are important in our life.
Yes.
That is what I would say the most important thing I will say to him, which will help him to regain his position, to regain his growth, to regain his investment, and that's it.
Yes. Badu
Yeah.
is the full English student.
Yeah, I have tried.
वो इंग्लिश बोल रहा है, हम नहीं बोल सकते.
Badu is a pulling student.
I have
He
tried
is a swimming student. And I am the Marathi student.
So we जिल्हा
So I
परिषद.
don't like
My brothers,
but
they are
I
from
will try my
Silicon,
best.
that
And we are
and-
trying from our heart.
But they are trying
But
very
someday-
best.
someday
But I would say, yeah.
You all will like our
After
video.
we are going to
Our
say,
trio.
After 7 days, we are so confirmed that we are
Yes.
going to make a lot of progress. But I
Yes.
would say, we were trying so hard. But at the same time, the big brother has done a big mistake. He just passed a vulgar sentence.
Yeah.
He shouldn't have done that, right? He
Guys,
shouldn't have done that.
one word is allowed.
You have not seen the Bachelor viewer.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why some family
Okay,
men
guys.
also see this
He
video.
is our
So-
editor, na? He can
Okay, guys,
cut
thank
Yeah.
you for the new video. So stay tuned. We are going to update these videos every day. This is the first video of our language that we have tried English language, and we have successfully done a great job today. So we are going to upload it. So thank you for
Guys,
watching.
subscribe.